I feel this is a fantastic budget, very strong foundation for Amrit Kaal. It's a fine balancing of fiscal deficit and the new challenges for new India. In terms of infrastructure, it is amazing. 30% increase in the outlay, close to 10.4 lakh crores is an amazing step. This will have a multiplier effect in terms of job generation, manufacturing competitiveness, and also the connected cities across the country. I think this would be a great multiplier effect. And in terms of skill development, 30 National Center of Excellence on international platforms would be a great move to promote the skill development among the youth. India being one of the youngest population in the world, this is an amazing step. And the focus on education, the digital infrastructure, the organic farming, benefiting 1 crore farmers, and the state-of-the-art technology in terms of bringing new technologies for pesticides and agricultural farming, and also the railway connectivity, which is another great booster, and also the common salaried class, which have been waiting for quite some time, I think has been a great relief, and also for the pensioners. So I would say that this budget has been a fine balance of a lot of thinking has gone into this budget, and I'm sure this will propel a new sets of growth for India, and we'll start seeing the results in the next 6 months or so. But an amazing work by the Honorable Finance Minister, and I'm sure. Only thing is, in terms of defense, given the current geopolitical challenges, I was wondering that more allocation of defense would happen this year. But maybe some logic is there behind that move. But otherwise, it's been a fantastic budget.